this is PhD Natural Me, and I'm outside. I just wanted to show you something. This little thing right here. This is the freshwater tank. Right there, and then there's a little filter. And my son, let me make sure you can see that. See that? Right there? My son was out here, supposed to be watching it. And you want to come and tell him what happened? Don't do that.
It overfilled.
How did it overfill?
Because I let it run.
Okay, he let it run. And that was a good thing to let it run. But when it overflows out here, it overflows inside too. He didn't catch that until just now. So we had to get that up and let the water run, and now it's working fine. So when you are filling up your fresh water tank, stay with it. Don't walk away. Bye. Okay, Michael's gonna show me which loop needs to be pulled.
But haven't I showed you this before?
I don't remember. Which loop?
This one.
Okay, did you pull it already?
No.
Okay.
Well, yeah, but no.
Go ahead and pull it. Okay, you gotta press down on it so that way it'll drain a little bit. It was overflowed. That's good. That's good.
Smiling.
Yeah. All right, thank you. Come on, get up. Say hi. Okay, I'm saying hi too. That was it. Just wanted to show you that. Look at my yard. All right, gotta go.